explain it this way. You get a tax deduction on the way in, no matter how much money you make. It grows tax-free. You invest it in anything you want, and it comes out tax-free at any age for medical. So freaking easy. So awesome. I own a rental property in my HSA in Chicago, little meth lab. It's adorable. And I also own some cows. I own 10 cows on a little farm in my HSA. All the profit from my cows and my rental go into my HSA and can pay for my medical, my spouse, and dependent children.
This is a great example of someone who is maybe looking at some alternative assets to invest HSA funds into. Now, this is dependent on who your HSA provider is. Most providers that I've looked at, if it's a provider that's worth its value, it's going to have low to no fees, and you're going to be able to invest in index funds and a variety of mutual funds just like you would a quality broker.